So what's up, guys? Miles back with another video. Alright, as you can see from the title, we're going to talk about how people kill your dreams, right? What people, what things, what environments kill your dreams daily, right? Because the thing you have to realize, whether you want to admit it or not, is that you have to fight every single day for your dreams, right? Everything around you is trying to discourage what you're trying to do, right? What you're trying to accomplish, right? So we're going to talk about it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Share the video, like the video. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds to do that as I put this water up, because my brother was thirsty. How do they kill your dreams? Right? Let's start with your job. How does your job kill your dreams, right? How can, you're like, whoa, Miles, wait. Job, I need a job to pay the bills, right? I need a job to make money. Yes, you do. But that's not the problem I'm talking about, right? See, your job works you to death, right? For pennies on the dollar. You have to show up to work to make money. The whole goal is to get to a position where you can make money while you're sleeping. But you have to show up and put manual labors, put in long hours to get paid a lot, right? But it's not enough hours in the day to do that, right? But you realize this. But how does the job kill your dreams, right? Well, first of all, the people inside the job, they're employees, right? They think like an employee, they take orders like an employee, right? They have no bigger goal than to be the employee. Maybe a supervisor, maybe a manager of that center, right? They don't have any dreams of being bigger than that. So your environment and the things they talk about kills your drive to go, right? Now, depending on who you are, this drives you to go higher, right? But just being around your environment, you're subconsciously taking in all this employee thinking, right? Second one, your job works you so hard that by the end of the day, you don't have time to work out. You don't have the energy to work out. You don't have the energy to put in that extra 2-3 hours to put in for overtime for that dream, right? Come on, do that dream. It's going to pay you a lot more money than what you're making right now. It's killing your energy, killing your will for much more. It's killing your time. But you got to do it, right? Because your dream hasn't started making money for you just yet. So you have to work a job, right? This is where the fight comes in. Second way they kill your dreams, right? And this is not the job. I'm talking about people now. They shame your ideas. They shame your goals. They shame that you read books. They shame that you watch educational, motivational videos on the daily. They call that lame. Hey, you're a lame because you listen to Jordan Peterson and we watch Real Housewives of Atlanta. You're a lame because you don't watch Jersey Shore. You watch lectures from Harvard. You watch political videos on the economy. You're a lame because you're not a fucking lame duck like we are. That's how they sound, right? And they go even further by calling you crazy. They call you stupid for having your ideas, right? They gaslight the shit out of you. They shame the shit out of you. Man, you gonna be a doctor? You ain't gonna be no goddamn doctor, man. You can't even do X, Y, Z. What the hell? Let's talk about something. You should be, I can see you working at McDonald's. I can see you working in the warehouse. Oh, you want to make some money? Oh, that's the white man. Yeah, he gonna stop you from making some money, right? They give you all these excuses to kill your drive for greater. They call you crazy because they don't understand your drive and ambition. They've never been there, so how can they understand what you want truly? Second thing, third thing actually, and this part is not malicious, right? Their insecurities they try to force their insecurities onto you, right? So you have to be riskful to be successful, right? You have to put yourself out there in no man's land, right? At some point to make it, right? And out of that fear, see, the people that do this shaming tactic right here, they make their insecurities your insecurities, right? They know that, right? They know you have to go out and risk something, right? But because they're insecure about risking their own thing, they're going to tell you, hey, you shouldn't risk that, man. I know you want to do that, but hey, it's safer to do this, right? But you can't be successful and be safe at the same time. Not in the beginning. Not in the beginning, right? This is the whole part of life. The pain, the sacrifice, right? And the whole point of getting a tattoo is going through the pain, because you can be proud of yourself and be proud of that artist for doing a good job and you taking the pain to get the reward, right? You'll never appreciate something if you don't go through the sacrifice and the pain of it. If somebody just gives you something, you're not going to take care of it. If you blood, sweat, tears over something, you're going to respect it and hold on to it way tighter than something somebody just gave to you. Maybe this is the problem with society when it comes to entitlement. Maybe people are giving too many things they shouldn't give. They should make you earn those types of things, right? This is the last thing. Misery loves company. Now, that's the obvious one, right? People don't want you to go higher. People want you to do good, but they don't want you to do better than them, right? They want you to stay on the same level as them, right? But it's like Snoop Dogg said, right? Once you elevating, your friends got to elevate with you for you to maintain friends, right? You're going to go up, and it's up to them to meet you up there, because you look stupid as hell to be successful and move yourself down here, right? Some people are afraid of success more than they are of failure. What if I actually succeed and I lose all my friends in the process? What if I actually succeed and I'm out there by myself and I'm making all this money, right? Would I be comfortable in that position? See, you're your own worst enemy. When it comes down to it, the fingers are all pointing at you, right? So I want you guys to think about this, right? Think about this message. Think about the points I just gave. Think about how you're going to stop these people from killing your dreams, right? Because always my solution is you got to get away to discover who you are. And then once you discover who you are, you can mingle amongst anybody and be safe, secure in yourself. Right? That's my video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share the video, like the video, and we out, man. Have a good day, good week. Be blessed.